bad.
Did he give you one from the beginning? All of them?
Well, we got the one from the beginning.
Okay.
But he gave me one for the second time. Guys, hey everybody, how you doing? This is Reverend Dr. Antonio R., a.k.a. Beast Mode. It's another beautiful day in the neighborhood. It's another beautiful day. Take a look. Look at this. Look at that sky. Isn't it gorgeous? Look, it's 53 degrees. Look at that. Look at them trees. Look at them trees. Look at them trees. Look at that. Everything looks like picture painting beautiful. As you can tell, I'm on my way to do a workout. I'm going to get on my bicycles and do a workout. And I'm so glad I did, guys. I just left Dr. Taylor's office. And his name is Dr. Taylor, so you don't know. He's one of the greatest doctors I've ever known.
The Brain Store.
The Brain Store. If you ever heard of a Brain Store, Google Brain Store. It's in Colonial Heights. Formerly called Integrative what? Medicine. You want to go there. And you want to go to American Family Fitness. I'm just looking at my blood work. And my blood work results are spectacular compared to last March when we first started. And I'm here to tell you guys, I saw some improvement, but I didn't know it was this big. This is so amazing. My A1C, it was higher than this. And if I keep this going, it's going to be less than this. It's a 6.1. 6.1. It was a 6. What was it then? 6.7, almost a 6.8. It was a 6.7. It's now a 6.1. And my goal is I'm gonna get it down to a 5.9. I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing. Just go to the one that we always circle. You see the other one?
Which one?
My 32 right there. That used to be high. My ferritin. My ferritin used to be like what? 87. Now it's 32. My occult blood used to be abnormal. It used to be abnormal. Now it's just a trace. Hardly any blood in there. But all my results, my heart. Tell him about my heart, honey.
He said he have an excellent heart.
I have an excellent heart. Y'all hear that? Beast Mode got an excellent heart. I have an excellent heart, ladies and gentlemen. Excellent. You normally be 117. They look at the blood because you remember when they see the condition of your heart, they do the blood work. Your heart give out enzyme of its health. It let the blood. Everything's in the blood, like the blood of Jesus Christ. The blood tells on your organs. My kidneys have improved tremendously. My heart health has improved tremendously. I realized that later on down the road, right before my surgery, how better my heart had improved. I mean, it was when I had my surgery, it was 117 over 84, or was it 82? Sometimes 79, because it bounced back and forth. And my blood sugar it was low too, was very good. But my A1C, there you have it. Because if you can't take care of your health, y'all see me going to the gym. And y'all don't know about I go to a naturopath doctor too, because I was severely overweight and my blood pressure was like one step away from diabetes, from direct. What do you call the other one?
Step away from a heart attack.
Heart attack and a stroke. I'm 58 years old, acting like a 22-year-old sometimes. And everything look good. My blood platelets are great, are above better. And I want to here to tell you, go Google Brain. What's it called again? Brain Store. Okay. Take it from the guy who graduated from Liberty University. Go to the Brain Store. Google it. A lot of people go there to get the help they need. They'll do a check on you that your regular physician don't check. Yeah. True story. They will do a detail. I'm gonna upload this to the VA because I'm locked in anyway. I'm gonna upload it to my primary care physician. I'm gonna send this to him. I'm gonna send this to my primary care at the VA, so that way he has a record. My beginning and end. Gonna make a copy of the beginning and the end. This is the end. This is it. If
you got diabetes, heart problem, any health issues that that you've been going to the doctors for years
and nothing works.
Nothing works.
Medication don't work.
You might want to check out.
You want to check out the Brain Store.
He is very, very good.
He's also a licensed chiropractor too, so you can snap, crackle, and pop you too, just like it did me. But I'm telling you, they got stuff in there that will make you feel so much better. You'll lose so much weight. They got stuff that it's better than don't even think about going to Walmart. Don't do that. Don't even think about going to Amazon. Don't even waste your time.
You'll take an extensive blood test.
He's gonna take one. Everything you try, including your Walmart brand stuff, that blood test gonna tell it. It's gonna tell on you. It's telling me. They go detail. I mean, I'm showing this from a distance. They go detail. I mean, look at that. All the lines. Look at that. Look at that. And it's go through what do you call it? LabCorp?
Yep, LabCorp.
That's extensive.
But it's
an investment though.
More than what the doctors
do. Yeah, because the pharmacy and the health insurance only going to pay for them to go so far.
But the doctor.
Dr. Taylor knows the truth, guys.
It's expensive, but what's your?
It's affordable.
What is your health worth?
We use words affordable.
What's your health worth?
How much is your health is worth to you?
That's why we need more than one income.
My heart, that's why you need to get into this business with us, to that way you have it. But my heart is a young man's heart. It was high. It used to be high. I'm just walking in the same path. I was walking in the same path my father, who had a triple bypass and have heart issue, heart failure, and he died from cancer.
Doctor told him that when he came in May, that his heart was a step away from having a heart attack. And today, he told him that his heart was excellent.
Y'all hear that?
And from the results of the blood test was taken.
And the blood test from LabCorp don't lie. He was like amazed.
And his
kidneys are running, working perfect. It was some issues at first. Now those issues are gone. And you know why? Because I follow instructions. I didn't try to be Billy Bob and try to do it my way. Don't do it your way, ladies and gentlemen. Don't do it your way. You get with Dr. Taylor, you got to follow it to the letter. You follow what I'm saying? You got to do it to the letter, and you're going to be glad you did. You could be mad like me. You could be angry. Why? Why did I got to do it this way? Why I got to do it that way? You do it to the letter.
Complain about how much money
and stop playing, and don't right. I got to practice what I preach. Don't complain about, stop complaining about the money all the time, because I want to get my car painted, but I'll be dead if I painted it and don't take care of my body.
That's right.
And I want to enjoy that car, because I see too many guys older than me, 90 years old, 80 years old, 100 years old, who drive a nice car because they took care of their body first.
And his potassium is low because one of the medication that he's taking is causing potassium to be low. And the doctor said.
Yep.
He can't get it down. Every time you go to the doctor, it gets lower and lower, even with taking potassium.
I'm taking 3 of them now.
And it's still low.
But the heart is perfect. The kidneys are 2 of the main things you don't mess with. You don't mess with heart. You don't mess with kidneys. A1C is improving. The goal is get it to 5.7.
Yep.
Bam! In your face. And next time, forget what Dr. Taylor. Tell him that Dr. Antonio referred you and Sheila referred you. And go, if you don't know how to do it, go about, just get with us and I'll give you his number. That way you can call a schedule appointment, or you can go to the website online.
Then if you're serious about your health.
If you're not serious about your health.
And tired of taking those medications it's nothing but not even treating it. We're good. It's just treating and not curing.
They're putting a mask on the problem instead of making the repairs. It's like somebody taking a shoestring, tying up on your water hose, and you're supposed to have a clamp on it. That's what I'm saying. Or they're taking what do you call it, duct tape, and spray painting instead of replacing the part. But I'm here to tell you that, woohoo! I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Clap along if you will. Clap along with me. I'm so happy. But anyway, guys, I'm just thrilled about it. I normally will talk about Transact card, but your health is more important, and I've been doing this behind the scene. If you don't take care of your health, guys, I don't care how much money you got. There's people dying right now of cancer, diabetes, who are very rich and very unhappy. Why? because they did not take the appropriate step to take care of their body. Plus, they didn't have a health coach or a health chef to prepare their meals. They were eating junk food on a regular basis. And we all slip and do a junk food addict every now and then. But you got to leave that stuff alone. If you're drinking soda pop all the time, that's a regular basis, smoking cigarettes, eating fatty food on a regular basis, going out to the restaurants every day instead of cooking fresh foods, taking time to learn how to cook. There's recipes that teach you step by step how to cook through this program. And they have an electronic health coach to guide you along the way. You have to watch them videos too. Just like you don't like to watch videos that I send you, you're going to have to watch a lot of videos if you love your health. If you love your wealth, you'll watch every video I sent you. So what's more important? Grandchildren, talk to your grandparents. Kids, talk to your mom and dad. Don't you want your mom and dad to be around? I got grandchildren. I want to see them all grown. I only got 2 that's grown now. I got 3 more right behind them, maybe 4. But anyway, I want y'all grown. You understand what I'm saying? I want to see you grown at age 50. And I'm still driving my cars, still chasing my wife around the house, of course. And that's another story.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, the boss has just spoken. But anyway, woohoo! I'm there, guys. I'm there. And
we'll stay there.
And I'm going to stay there. Let me get out of here, guys. Y'all have a good one. This is Reverend Dr. Antonio, aka Beast Mode, loving you, each and every one of you, right here at American Family Fitness. Woo! If you're over 50, if you've been receiving Medicare, you can go to American Family Fitness for free. I would say I had to pay $50 because I want to go anytime. But I'm telling you, it's worth it. Go, and see Dr. Taylor. He's worth it. Go. What you looking at me for? Just don't look at me. Get going, huh? Move, airborne. Move. I'm out of here. I missed